We got a job down in Modesto. I'm running a little bit behind. My GPS said when I initially did the GPS that it would only take me an hour, and it's taken me an hour and a half. So I let my customer know I am on my way. Alright, job of the day. I'm gonna do bearings. I need to run and grab an 8-lug hub. He lost a bearing when he was in Texas, he said. So I'm gonna try and pound that hanger back straight and put a pin in there. So that works for him. But I'm gonna start tearing this down, do all the bearings, check all his brakes, check all his lights. All right, I got my tester plugged in. Don't have enough distance. We got open circuits, ground integrity. What's going on here? Okay, got that. What is this? All circuits off. Oh, we got nothing on. Oh, there we go. Just needed to be shoved in a little more. Cool. Let's see what we got. Yep, we got marker lights. Good. Everything on the back is working. Left turn, how about his left turn? Yep, we got left turn good on his driver's side. Right turn is good. And we got good right turn on his right turn marker. Let's tear this thing down. All right, taking apart passenger side rear. I'm gonna take this bad backing plate off. I gotta hit the spindle's still good because the inner portion of the bearing stayed on there, so I just gotta get it off. It's popping right off, look at that. Come on now. Come on now. I hit it with a bigger hammer and a chisel. But we got, I think the inner portion of that bearing, good, slides, heck yeah. All right, I think we might be able to just pop it all off, look at that. Cool. All right, passenger side, I got he has one backing plate or two backing plates that he ordered. Put the new one on the rear, spindle's still really good. Middle one needs to be changed out, it's got grease all over everything. And the front, this is the magnet fell off. So I'm gonna change this backing plate out as well. All right, all new backing plates on the passenger side are installed. All right, hubs are good. This was the middle one that blew out, the seal looks like. So seal blew out, coated the backing plate. So I gotta clean this hub out. This hub's good. This is the front passenger side, everything's smooth, brake surface is smooth. So I'm gonna take these seals out, repack everything. All right, all new brakes on the passenger side. We got front installed, cotter key is on. Middle is installed, cotter key is on. New bearings, new seals, new grease. I do need to run and grab another 8-lug hub for him. Hopefully someone in the area has one. All right, tires and wheels are on the passenger side. I'm gonna do the driver's side. I still gotta rewire the axles. Driver's side front brake, completely blown out. Magnets toasted. Looks like I got full melted. This is part of the brake shoe. So it's coming off. I'm just gonna keep tearing down the driver's side right now. Driver's side middle. Backing plate looks brand new. This thing looks great. Magnets are good. So that stays on. I just need to adjust it when I get the hub back on. And driver's side rear. Same thing as, oh, that doesn't have a holder on it. I'll just throw a holder on, make sure all the brakes are working. Got a little magnet clip. I don't know how that fell out, but it did. Magnet clip goes on that bad boy. Come on now. There we go. Magnet clip's on. That backing plate's good. So just the front driver's side needs to be changed out, and he has one that he bought from Trailer, so I'm gonna throw that on for him. I don't even know how that happened. Look how it melted down. I can't even take that off. That's like a rubber piece. But magnet's fully done. Brake shoes are fully done. I put his new backing plate on there, so driver's side's good. I put a magnet holder or magnet retainer clip on the driver's side rear. I'm gonna pack these hubs and put them on. All right, driver's side, all hubs are packed. Front cotter key is on, middle cotter key is on, and rear cotter key is on. Pound and dust caps. Driver's side is all packed. New bearings, new seals, new grease, everything's installed. I gotta work on wiring. That customer actually had his hub that he had a blown bearing on, and nothing is wrong with it, which is insane. So save some money on that. I'm gonna pack this up, clean up everything, and then put it back on his trailer. All right, I changed out his outer race. It's all chipped up on this one. So I got a new race on the outer side here. Everything's nice and tight. I need to clean all the nastiness that's inside this, but it's coming off pretty easy. All right, rear passenger side hub is on. Cotter key is installed. Pound and dust cap. Passenger side rear is on. I was able to fix his hanger, and I put a new retainer bolt in there for him. So everything's done. I need to rewire the axles. All right, rewiring rear axle. Rewired now. I just need to shrink wrap the butt connectors And I'm doing the middle axle and the front axle. I'm just going to clean up the wiring. That wire's still good, but it's wrapped with electrical wire. I just used some zip ties instead of electrical wire. Middle axle is all cleaned up. It's in wired into that brake and wired into this brake here. And everything's wired up, everything's cleaned. I need to shrink wrap the butt connectors, but axles are wired. Alright, we got lights working. Marker light on driver's side is on. Marker light on the rear is good. Everything's good on that. Good on the rear passenger and good on the middle passenger. Right turn is on and working. Right turn on and working. Left turn on and working. Left turn on and working. Perfect. Let's check the brakes. Front's free spinning. Middle's free spinning. Rear is free spinning. Brakes are on. That one works. And front works. Mid and front work. Rear is not working. I need to replace this backing plate. It's one that didn't look bad, but magnet might have been bad. It was the one that I had to put the retainer clip back on, so might tear that down and replace it. All right, passenger side, free spinning mid, free, yep. Okay, I'll have to lift it up a little more. But middle and front. Brakes are on, brakes are locked up, brakes are locked up. I need to adjust the brakes, they're probably not out enough. Let's see what the rear's doing. Brakes are off. Brakes are up. Rear's free spinning. All brakes are now adjusted. Front passenger side's free spinning. Locked up. Rear or middle passenger side spinning. Locked up. And rear passenger side spinning. Locked up. That's good. I'm pretty sure these backing plates on this side, I didn't change to them because they looked okay, but I might need to just change them. This is a new one. Free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Middle, driver's side, might have adjusted a little too hard. Free spinning, locked up. Good, that's locked. And then the rear is free spinning, and it sounds like it's hitting, but it's not. So that one definitely needs to be replaced. But that's the only one that's not working. I'm just gonna adjust that one out a little bit. Everything else is good. New backing plate on the driver's side rear is on. And cotter key is on the driver's side rear. Putting a new dust cap on. Dust cap is on. We got free spinning. Oh, I need to wire it. Rear driver's side, free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are locked up. Perfect. Middle driver, adjust it out a little bit. Brakes are on, locked up. Perfect. Whew, it's hot. But this trailer's done. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I got 5 new backing plates. This is the only one that I didn't change out, and it works fine. I'm gonna probably adjust it out again. I adjusted it a little bit, but it's still kind of tight. I don't like that. So adjust that out a little bit. All brakes work. Everything works. All lights work. I let him know we need to change all of these rockers, equalizers. Either me do it or someone on his route can do it, but those things are blasted, need to be changed out. I fixed his rear passenger side hanger. All his left turn, right turn marker lights work. I'm gonna put tires on and then torque the lug nuts. All right, everything's done. Time to torque lug nuts. Trailer's done. All lug nuts are torqued. I'm on to the next. You don't want to see how hot it is? It's warm. Not as hot as other regions, but 113's touching it.